Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and in this video we're going to revisit a project that we did a long time ago, and that's this piano stool that has wooden threads. We're going to change the design, turn it from 3 legs to a 4-legged stool, and the biggest change is going to be the height. We're going to turn this into a bar stool. So in this video, we're going to focus specifically on how to produce the legs on the 2 workstations, the horizontal and vertical workstations on the Maverick 4x8 CNC system. So let's show you how it's done. The first workstation that is used to produce the shape of the bar stool leg is the horizontal workstation. This workstation has the ability to switch out different table fixtures to accommodate different materials, part sizes, and shapes. Here we are using a T-slot table with Legacy's LoPro clamps to hold the parts in place. This first cutting process simply uses one cutter to mill out the shape of the leg. Now, because this leg has a more organic shape with a gradual curve, we'll need to create a custom fence so that we can position this leg in the machine correctly to add joinery. This is why a T-slot table with Legacy's LoPro clamps give us a big advantage when cutting out different size components for a project. Now that the shape of the leg is cut out, we can insert our second part into this horizontal workstation. This is 3/4 inch MDF that will be held down to cut out the custom fence shape for the leg. This is done using 2 cutters. First, we drill 1/4 inch holes so that this can be mounted and positioned onto the vertical workstation in the right orientation. And second is a 1/4 inch cutter to cut out the unique shape for the legs. To make this fence even more effective, we cut not only the shape of the leg, but also both of the profiles of the threaded nuts. Those will be shown in a separate video, but this is now ready to hold all the parts for the project to produce all the joinery. Now we're ready to set up the second workstation, which is really unique to Legacy. This is the vertical workstation along the Y-axis width of the machine. This allows us to orient the part on a vertical plane so that we can get access to the ends or edges of the part. We can see how fast and easy it is to attach this fence, as well as holding down the leg using these toe clamps from Incra. There is no other CNC that allows us to switch between multiple workstations to maximize our woodworking capabilities like this. With the part secure, we're now ready to cut the mortises for the floating tenons. This feature of being able to jump from one workstation to another on a single CNC platform allows us to transform wood into a precise piece of art. And there we have it. We just need to repeat this for 3 more legs and we'll have all 4 to complete the bar stool. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what a Legacy CNC can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always leave them down below in the comments section, but you're always welcome to talk to one of our CNC experts by calling 801-491-0010. Now, if you're interested in seeing more cutting demonstrations like this, just click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check the notification box so you can be notified when new videos like this come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.